Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're excited to share some groundbreaking news from the world of cryptocurrency and digital payments. Mastercard has just launched a revolutionary service called Credential, aimed at securing and streamlining peer-to-peer crypto transactions. This new service is set to make a significant impact across Europe and Latin America, enhancing the way users send and receive cryptocurrencies. Let's dive into the details and see how this innovation could change the landscape of digital payments. Mastercard, a global leader in payments, has introduced the Credential service, designed to simplify and secure crypto transactions. This service allows users to create a unique Mastercard username, making it easier to send and receive Bitcoin and various other cryptocurrencies. With partnerships with exchanges like Bit2Me, Lirium, and Mercado Bitcoin, the service will be operational in regions including Brazil, Argentina, and France. 1. The need for secure crypto transactions. Cryptocurrency transactions traditionally rely on complex wallet addresses, long, random strings of characters that can be prone to errors. A single mistake in these addresses can lead to the loss of funds. Mastercard's Credential addresses this issue by providing a secure, user-friendly solution. Walter Pimenta, Mastercard's Executive Vice President of Product and Engineering for Latin America and the Caribbean, highlighted the importance of secure transactions in the growing blockchain space. He stated, "As interest in blockchain and digital assets continues to surge in Latin America and around the world, it is essential to keep delivering trusted and verifiable interactions across public blockchain networks." 2. How Credential works. The Credential service simplifies the transaction process. Users can create a unique Mastercard username linked to their wallet addresses. This username can be used to send and receive cryptocurrencies, eliminating the need to remember complex wallet addresses. Moreover, if the recipient's wallet does not support the specific asset or blockchain, the sender is notified, preventing the transaction from proceeding. This feature safeguards users from potential losses due to unsupported wallets. 3. Combating crypto scams. One of the significant advantages of Credential is its ability to tackle crypto scams. Scammers often use lookalike addresses to deceive users, exploiting the fact that many services truncate wallet addresses, showing only the first and last few characters. With Credential, users can be more confident that their transactions are going to the correct recipient, reducing the risk of fraud and enhancing overall security. 4. Implementation and reach. Mastercard has partnered with leading crypto exchanges like Bit2Me, Lirium, and Mercado Bitcoin to implement the Credential service. These partnerships ensure that the service will be available in key markets such as Brazil, Argentina, and France. By integrating with these exchanges, Credential aims to provide a seamless user experience, enabling more people to engage in crypto transactions safely and efficiently. 5. Future implications. The launch of Credential by Mastercard marks a significant step forward in the adoption of cryptocurrencies. By addressing key issues such as transaction security and fraud prevention, Mastercard is paving the way for more widespread use of digital currencies. This innovation could lead to increased trust in cryptocurrency transactions, encouraging more people to enter the digital asset space. As a result, we might see a broader acceptance and integration of cryptocurrencies in everyday financial activities. Mastercard's Credential service is a game-changer for the cryptocurrency industry, offering a secure, user-friendly solution for peer-to-peer transactions. By simplifying the process and enhancing security, Mastercard is helping to build a more trustworthy and accessible crypto ecosystem. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments what you think about Mastercard's new service and how it might impact your crypto transactions.